How about one more game? If you win, I'll go make that treat dispenser for you. If I win, you gotta help me clean your room.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whatever. TreatBot. Probably should have done this a while ago. Basically, it's a robot that dispenses a dog treat every time someone new subscribes to our YouTube channel. This is what I'm thinking. We'll make the trigger with this Node MCU, just like we did with our YouTube play button. It hooks up to the internet and basically asks YouTube, hey yo, tell me about RumbleLab. YouTube then passes a note back with all the info in it, which the node looks at and says, hey, new subs, dispense a treat. And the last thing that we're gonna need is... I guess I'm gonna take a second and clean Shrimp's room for her. I've been needing to do that for a long time. I mean, Shrimp has been needing to do that for a long time. This is her room, not my room. I didn't make that mess. Okay, I probably made most of that mess. But it's not normally like that. Okay, maybe it is normally this messy, but this time I have an excuse. Because I had to take my car apart and fix it, and so I pulled it into the garage and stuff got everywhere. And yeah, I probably shouldn't have done that myself. But one, I think fixing things is cool. And two, I wish we would think about how we could fix things and make them better instead of just throwing them away because they're old or broken.
You're broken. I don't want to play with you anymore.
Anyway, back to the TreatBot. We can use our auto can crusher, except for instead of a can, let's swap out a syringe of peanut butter. And then to keep the peanut butter from oozing out for like 10 minutes, we'll throw in a little blocking valve. Then to control the peanut butter dispensing part of the robot, we can use the Arduino Uno. And with the Arduino connected to the node, when the node sees new subs, it tells the Uno, hey, dispense a treat. And the Uno, being the good little minion that it is, does its job and dispenses the treat. What you mean I wish you'd be more like the Uno? Who said that? You want this treat dispenser or not? That's what I thought. Well, we should probably throw this thing inside a box so Shrimp doesn't get her tongue stuck in it. You're welcome. Alright, Shrimp, come check it out. What do you think? I can't just make it work. We have to wait for someone to subscribe. How do you want me to make someone subscribe? You want me to just go stand on the street with a sign? Did it work? You want me to try it again? You promise you're not messing with me? Alright. Aha! I knew it! That little trickster. I'm not even mad about it. I'm just glad that it works. Now when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, our play button's gonna go off and Shrimp's also gonna get a treat. I'm a little bit nervous for this video because if you've subscribed and you tell a friend to subscribe and they tell a friend, I'm either gonna end up with a huge mess on my floor or Shrimp's gonna end up looking like a blimp. I bet you would clean up the mess. So if you like this video and you feel like giving Shrimp a treat, we would love it if you would smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell next to it, and then tell a friend. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. See ya.